Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Lenovo laptop, and this would work on, in my case I have the Lenovo IdeaPad, and this could work on the Lenovo Thinkpad also. By only difference, the Thinkpad will go to the BIOS system with F1 and this would go with F2. In my case I'm going to start the computer and I'll tap F12 so that I go to the USB boot options. In this case, we wait for the USB boot options, and what you see here, we don't have the USB boot options here. So what you're going to do, I want you to click Ctrl-Alt-Delete. You can also long press on your power button to restart. So in my case, I'm going to click on Ctrl-Alt-Delete to restart. Then I'll tap on F2 so that I go to the BIOS system. So as the computer is rebooting, to go to the BIOS system, inside the BIOS system, I hope you're seeing very well. Inside the BIOS system, I want you to click the right arrow key. And when you go to the right arrow key, you'll see USB legacy. And this is disabled, and this is why it is not going to allow us to boot via USB. I want you to enable it and click enter. So to save changes, I want you to click on F10 and then click enter when you see this selected. And after that, the computer will reboot, and as we click F12, we shall be able to see our USB boot options. As you can see, USB, and this is the flash drive you're seeing here that has Windows files. So you go and click down and click enter. Then to ask to click any key so that the Windows process can start. So this is how you enable USB boot options on your Lenovo laptops, and this could work on the Thinkpad and most of the versions that you have. Just that you have to go in the BIOS. At times BIOS looks the same. So this is how it works, and if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share. And also click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. And thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.